Ito na mga bay ang pangalawang Pinoy na lalaban ngayong araw doon sa Long Beach, California, USA mga bay. Ang ating kababayan dito ay si Judy Flores, tubong General Santos City, na may alias na King Cobra. Ang kalaban niya rito ang isa muling undefeated ng Amerika na si Adan Palma. Puro undefeated ang mga kalaban ng ating kababayan rito. So sa unang laban nga natalo si Jason Guinaobra mga bay. Ngayon si Judy Flores naman ang lalaban. So muli naka blue na gloves ang Pinoy. Itong kanyang kalaban naman ay naka gray with pink color sa kanyang gloves.
Where he's at, undefeated in his career, he should have all those amenities for to him. Doing everything.
Ang susunod na Pinoy na lalaban rito mga bay ay si Lito Dante. So abangan natin kung maabutan pa natin yung laban ni Lito Dante.
Him having his own gym set up now, specifically for him and his camp, to his fight outfit.
So malakas rin itong ating pambato mga bay na si Judy Flores, 57% ang knockout rating nito. Samantalang ito namang si Adan Palma, ang kanyang undefeated na katunggali, ay may 61% knockout rating. So ngayong taon mga bay, 3 beses nang lumaban si Judy Flores doon sa Amerika. At parehong undefeated lahat ng kanyang mga nakalaban noong February at saka noong September 2025.
Clean right hand for Adan Palma that landed now. Did a great job of timing Judy Flores.
Flores with a glancing right hand. Ooh, digging body shot.
Sanay na itong si Judy Flores makalaban ng undefeated. So, hindi na bago ito para sa Pinoy mga bay. Pag-iisang taon na nga rin namamalagi si Judy Flores doon sa Amerika para mag-training at maitapat sa mga undefeated na katunggali doon.
Shot there inside that clinch from Adan Palma. He's got a nice little guard there. Nice frame. Keeping Judy at bay inside that clinch.
I mean, he said he was gritty. He's gritty.
Last 10 seconds ito sa round 1. Ay, kumain ng suntok doon si Judy.
Judy Flores landed a nice overhand right there.
Nasa pangalawang yugto na tayo ng laban mga bay. Adan Palma versus Judy Flores ang ating kababayan.
Judy Flores. Judy has an unorthodox stance. Very different approach to his stance and movement. Giving Adan something to think about for sure.
Grabe, napaka-aggressive nitong Adan Palma.
Palma gets some shots off. He's a body shot though. Filipino.
Talagang basagan ng mukha yung anong pong kalaban.
Big shot to the body.
Flores staying upright.
Ay, natulak yun eh.
He complains about a shot to the back of the head, but Pearl, I think it was that body shot that hurt him.
It certainly was the body shot, which is, and the referee saw it crystal clear, which is why he's giving him an 8 count. 10 count.
Back to work here. Goes back to the body. Gets pulled.
Lakas yung nitong si Adan Palma.
Hand landing from Adan, and
Yung
Adan
body shot niya, napapatras si Judy Flores.
Right throw separating the two. There's that left hand.
Oh, grabe.
Right side of the body of
Ramdam mo yung lagitik ng suntok nitong si Adan Palma mga bay. Ay, ayun na nga, bumagsak po ang ating kababayan mula sa isang liver shot.
That was a big
Parang
shot.
di natatayo si kabayan.
That's a wrap.
Ay, hindi na nakatayo si Judy Flores mga bay.
From Adan Palma.
At muli, isa muling Pinoy ang natalo doon sa Amerika.
Ninth win of his career.
So parang pinili ito ng mga ng mga promoter doon sa Amerika na mapalaban sa Pinoy ang kanilang mga undefeated na pambato. So ayan mga bay, congrats sa nanalo na si Adan Palma.